right now something very serious is happening inside the justice system. A senior official in New Jersey recently to admit a federal court that their official failed to follow reason of court order in justice a few month. Think about that, not a mistakes, not small delay, dozen of violation, and this is not happening in just one place. Judgment in other states are seeing similar patterns. Missed deadline, ignored ruling, people kept in detection longer, the allowed transfer happening every when a judge said no, let slow this down. When a federal judge issue an order, it is not a suggestion, it is communicated back by the constitution. Their entire legal system depend on that power state to shake. Many of these cases involve something called habeas corpus. This is one of the oldest legal protection in American history, called corpus. It protects people from being locked up without legal justification. Is something believed they are being held unlawful. They can go before a judge and demand the government explanation. When a judge order bond hearing, that hearing must happen. When a judge blows a removal, that removal must stop. When a judge demand evidence, that evidence must be provided. But what we are seeing are repeated failure, deadlines, missed hearing, delayed people, moved sport, court instruction, paperwork not submitted on time. Evaluation is not just a number. It represent a real person, a real family, a real consequence. On top of that, there is leadership instability. Normally a federal district has a single conformed US attorney leading the office that provides structure and accountability. But in this situation, leadership has been refused and divided and left uncertain. While leadership is clear, discrimination often affect what matter. Recently, and officials submitted a letter to the court permission that the affect office take complaints we seriously. That tones respectful, almost apologetic, but tones is not what matter. Complaints matter. For decades, the standard inside federal courts was simple. When a judge orders something, it gets done immediately, completely, without excuses. The acceptable number of violated court orders. Trump and healthy system is zero, not 50, not dozen, zero. Not 50, not dozen is zero, because once repeated violations start to feel routines, daily routines, something deeper is wrong. Code may begin considering sanction, contempt finding, and that is a sign of serious instruction stream. This is bigger. The politics, it is about whether the branch of government respect their rules. The judge, the real question no is simple: can the system correct itself? Can it restore discipline and respect for judicial orders? Because it a function. Democracy, court order are not optional. They are the backbone of the rule of law. And without the backbone, everything also become failing. Thank you so much. This channel is subscribed. This video is like, comment, and share.